Okay, next one up, one of my favorites, a Ducati Diavel. This is the carbon edition. This is going to get one of our full works packages. Not been cleaned in some time. It's looking a little sad for herself. So we're going to do a full works package on this, which will include lots of detailing, lots of polishing. I'm going to do some machine polishing on this gloss, the windscreen, the tank, and that frame. Once that's all done, we will then prep it and treat it with the signature 4K ceramic. Every nook and cranny of this bike is going to get sealed. We will polish up the inside of those wheels as they do corrode quite quickly. So we'll get those polished up before we apply any ceramic. Unfortunately, he has taken this to a car wash, which has left some staining on a few of these parts. I did point this out to him, so we'll get it all cleaned up. Once it's all detailed, a bit of ceramic should hide a lot of that, but we've got lots of polishing to do, lots of cleaning. I'm going to put a bit of heat paint on that exhaust, get that looking its best. We will service that chain as well, get all that old chain lube off of there, blow dry it. We'll get it all freshly lubed up. The corner of these wheels, they got a little polish strip here, which that's all corroded here. It's like sandpaper, so that's going to take some detailing. Like I said, the inside of those as well, where they've left it bare. So we've got lots to do on this. This will be a good few hours worth of cleaning and polishing. So check back. We'll update in a couple of hours. Okay, Ducati is now in the studio, been fully washed, degreased, decontaminated, debugged, and blow dried. Now I'm just doing a little paint inspection. It's not terrible shape, we've got lots of carbon on it, so I can't really do much of that. But all this gloss here, he's had this tank pad on there, so it's got a few marks which we will polish out, as well as the front mud guard, and this tail section's got a few bits that are looking a little sad. More than anything, I want to see if I can do something with these wheels. Obviously over the years this black has got quite scratched up. These need polishing. I don't know why they didn't put any lacquer on there or leave it all black, because they do start corroding. So we will hand polish those, machine polish that gloss bit, see if we can get those nice and shiny before we apply any ceramic. Just had a quick little run on this back wheel. Did a little machine polish. Can you spot the difference? It does take some time, but it will be worth it in the long run. Look at that, all scratched up. That's just one run. Much better. Let's crack on with the rest of it. Good morning from Trott HQ, back on this Diavel. Done what I can with these wheels. They are a right pain without taking them off. Luckily that single-sided swing arm gets a bit of access to all these nooks and crannies, which I've polished. Front one, I've done what I can, just tidying up a few nuts and bolts. I don't know whether you can see the difference. That's a polished one and that's unpolished. So we'll put those back on, torque them up, and then we'll crack on with the application of the ceramic. We're going to airbrush the ceramic on all the motor. I will apply it by hand on the wheels, and then we'll do all the body work. Okay, just cracking on with a bit of machine polishing on this before we apply any ceramic. I just did this windscreen. I don't know whether you can see before, after, before, after. Much better. Got rid of a few of those scratches. This tank, you look at that, it's got loads of little marks on it. Nice. We'll finish off the rest of that paint work. We'll do the front mud guard, rest of that windscreen, and then we will crack on with applying the ceramic. you go. This stunning Ducati Diavel Carbon has now been fully trotted and looking pretty freaking sweet. Managed to get those wheels up pretty good. Front wheels all done. We've did a single stage polish on all the gloss panels, tail section, the tank, and the little windscreen there. And then we prepped it and we treated it with the Signature 4K Signature Pro. We airbrushed it on every nook and cranny of the motor. I also applied some XCP clear coat on anything that I think will need that little bit of extra protection for the winter months ahead. Now looking pretty sweet. Get yours booked in now. We are getting busy pre-winter time, so give us a call. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.